Did you know your computer came with a pair of digital scissors called a snipping tool? If you go to your Start menu right here, go up, you should see a snipping tool. If you don't already see that, you can go down into the search bar and just type in snipping tool and search for that tool. When you get it, it's going to look just like this. Now, notice that my screen kind of went grayscale, and when that happens, then you know it's time to start cutting. So you take that X and you can grab anything you want. Let's say I'm going to grab just those icons. It's anything that's sitting on your desktop. And when I let go of my hand on my mouse, it has basically captured a picture of whatever you put inside your snipping tool. Now I can do different things. The snipping tool comes with some tools where you can highlight, you can write right there on your screen. So if you're up teaching, you can write right onto the picture. Now, if this is something because you're trying to build this for a lesson, you can actually save this as a JPEG. So just click the save, name it whatever it is, icons. I can save it onto my desktop, put it into my Google Drive. If you have Dropbox, you can put it there and save that picture. Now let's say I am trying to build things for a lesson. I can go on to the internet. Well, I'm going to go to Google, and let's say I am looking for I'm teaching about Martin Luther King, and I want to show some sort of a timeline. So I go there and I really want a quality timeline, and I find a good one that I want, and it's in this form. Well, I really just want to cut that out, and I want to put that on a Smart Notebook slide for a lesson, and maybe I'm going to build 10 slides, but I want a timeline to be one of them. All I'm going to do, go grab my snipping tool, my digital pair of scissors. Notice again it went grayscale, so I'm going to clip this picture out, snip it out, and grab it. See how it is now within here, and I can save it. I'm going to save it to going to put Martin Luther King timeline, and I'm going to put that on my desktop. Okay, now I'm going to X out of all of this, close all my tabs. Now I have just that timeline saved. I'm going to right click on it, copy it, go to my Smart Notebook software, because I'm going to build maybe a whole notebook about my lesson on Martin Luther King. And I'm going to take that JPEG and I'm just going to paste it onto a slide. Once I do that, then I can use all the other features in Smart Notebook. So I grab this, click paste, there's my timeline. I can manipulate it, make it bigger. Now the kids can actually come to the board and use all of my Smart Notebook tools to actually write on it. I can make more notebook pages. I can just keep adding on to the notebooks. And then you can use your snipping tool for anything, to build lessons, to just pull out one picture during your lesson that you want to really examine and write over temporarily, or everything you capture is captured as a JPEG. So it's wherever your imagination takes you. Enjoy your snipping tool.